Hey everyone, welcome to White Falcon Publishing YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll discuss a book summary named Erlebnisse by Natasha Wendy this Silve. But before getting into the book, पहले हम author के बारे में discuss करेंगे. Author Natasha Wendy this Silve, born in 1998, achieved her degree in journalism, English and psychology and went on to finish her master's in luxury brand management and marketing. She is a daydreamer and writer and she loves capturing moments. Now let's start with the book. It is the journey, the back and the forth of a loved one with a rush of emotion and a death of a soul. Erlebnisse is a descriptive experience of every emotion through a journey of years in a day concept through its phases. In this book, हर टाइप का इमोशन इसमें ऐड है, चाहे वो कोई भी टाइप का इमोशन हो, हर टाइप का इमोशन इस बुक में है. एंड ऑल्सो एवरी टाइप ऑफ थॉट, चाहे वो नेगेटिव है चाहे वो पॉजिटिव है, वो भी इस बुक में बताया गया है. And felt with the flashback of the present through the story of the past, leading up to a future with its own metaphors and irony. This book of poetry is not just an abstract of love and emotion, but it's an immortalization of a loved one, with the idea of immortalizing what it is like to be human in its own way. If you're edgy with a soft corner for vulnerable poetries, this is your lemonade on a hot summer day. Thank you for watching this video, and if you want to read this amazing book, you can check it out from our website. Link is in description. Please check out from there. And also if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.